Curious how you regenerate your website using Network Solutions AI Website Builder? I'm Brian from Product, and I'm here to show you how to do it. Okay, so you built a website with our AI Website Builder, but for some reason, there's something about it that isn't quite working for you, and you want to go through the process again to rebuild a website and start from scratch. The way you do that is actually pretty easy using a feature that we have called drafts. So if you're within the editor here, it's as simple as going up to the top left to this drop down, clicking on Website Dashboard, and then this will take you to an overview of the site that you're working on, giving you the domain name, showing you that your SSL cert is active, and the published version of the site that you have. If you scroll down, you have the ability to add different drafts. So if you want to try out different versions of your site, if you have different events or other things coming up, you can create a special draft of your website if you really want to be able to swap between different versions of it. But this is a great way for you to try out different ways of generating your site to see if there's something else that you'd rather do with the website from a design standpoint. So by clicking on Add First Draft, then brings you to a choice of using our AI Website Builder or choosing from a series of templates that we have on our builder. In this case, we're going to use the AI Website Builder again to generate the website, bringing you to what should be a familiar process of putting in information about the name of your website, what it's about, and ultimately what makes it unique when it comes to the business that you're creating, and trying to really capture the uniqueness of you and your brand when we build this website. So rather than going through this whole website building process again, we have a different separate video that goes through that in a lot of detail to help you get to the best website possible using our AI Website Builder. But instead, we're going to take a second and really skip to the end of this process to show you how you can then take this new version of the website and then publish it live. So now you're back in the editor, and from here you can put any finishing touches on your website you want to before you go ahead and publish. If you want to look at the drafts that you've created as part of your website, you simply go back to your website dashboard like we did before, then scroll to the draft section of this page to see the drafts that you have available. You can add up to 5 drafts per website, so you can experiment with different layout styles, or like I was saying before, if you have a special event or something that you really want to change your website for a short period of time, you have the ability to do that and then really easily swap back and forth between these different drafts and publish them live to your domain.